Hey there! Imagine talking to your phone and it actually understands you. No magic, just artificial intelligence. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence for All Class 11, your ticket to understanding the tech that's shaping our world. So, what is AI? Simply put, it's how machines learn to think and solve problems, a bit like how we do. You see AI every day, when Netflix suggests your next binge, or when your parent's phone predicts what they want to text. It's all around us, and it's changing the way we live, learn, and even work. But this course isn't just about reading, it's about doing. You'll start with the basics, what AI actually is and why it matters. Then, we'll dive into Python. Don't worry, it's super friendly for beginners. Step by step, you'll learn how to code, collect data, and even build simple AI projects of your own. Ever wondered how computers recognize faces or understand languages? That's where machine learning and language processing come in, and we'll break those down in easy bites. Plus, we'll talk about the big stuff, like AI ethics. With great tech comes great responsibility, right? You'll see how AI can help people, but also why it's important to use it wisely. Each lesson builds on the last, so by the end, you'll get the full picture, from the basics to the big questions. Whether you want to invent the next smart assistant, or just be ready for the jobs of the future, this course gives you the foundation. So, are you ready to peek behind the curtain and see how AI really works? Let's get started and unlock your future in AI.